Setting up this tent is easy because it only uses one middle pole. It's tall enough to stand in and roomy for a few people. The fabric keeps you dry and lets snow slide off the sides. When you sleep outside without a tent, your brain becomes more alert to natural sounds like animals. It's an old survival switch, keeping you jumpy all night. That's why having a real shelter is very important, and this 4-season tent feels like your perfect tiny home. Imagine having your entire bedroom in one roll. That's what this swag is. It has a waterproof bottom and a comfy mattress already tucked inside. The best part is how fast it is. Just unroll it on the ground. In the morning, you just roll the whole thing back up and go. Have you ever asked yourself why campfires crackle? It's steam bursting from the wood. The Ozpig hones that heat inside a raised steel box. Just load some logs and light them. It warms your camp while you cook on the hot plates. And the best part? It weighs just 40 pounds. Next one is a sleeping mat and vapor barrier in one. Depending on the weather, use it alone or add a tent shell. You could lie inside a warm space where you can move, sit up, and comfortably keep gear near you. This sleep system works differently. It creates a small pocket of warm air around you using your body heat. It works in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit and weighs about 8 pounds. Water Drop removes 99% of harmful contaminants. It's about 7 inches long. You can drink straight from it or attach it to a bottle. And the best part? No batteries needed. Inside, there are layered filters that trap dirt, bacteria, and tiny particles. Made from 3-layer fabric, this shelter is perfect for you. It's long enough to stretch out, slightly wider at the head, and has a small space for gear. This product combines 3 tools: a shovel, a probe, and an emergency shelter. The shovel extends to help you dig more, the probe reaches 94 inches, and the shelter sets up using the shovel and poles to give protection if you get stuck in deep snow. Finding a good place to rest outdoors is often harder than it should be. This system uses an airframe, sealed seams, straps, and an outer shell. It can be a hammock, a small tent, or a shelter, inflates in under a minute and packs into a backpack. Made from heat-reflecting mylar, it's large enough to cover most people and folds down small like a deck of cards. It doesn't generate heat, but reflects your body warmth, keeping you warm in wet conditions. Next one has 35 square feet of space and a 40-inch high ceiling. It works as a tent for 2 or a hammock with bug protection. Inside are pockets, venting, mesh, and a roll-up sack.